Hey loves, so today I will be showing you guys how to create easy marble nails using dip powder. So today I will be working with Double Dip, the dip powders, and I will have a discount code linked down in the description along with on the screen if you're interested in saving some coins. These are just the colors that I will be incorporating in today's tutorial, along with some transparent dip powder. I didn't have the double dip one, so I did go ahead and use another one. So the simple steps are base, activator, and the top coat. So first I'm starting off 3/4 of the nail, and then I'm gonna go in the dip powder at a 45-degree angle, and I'm just gonna build the nail all the way up. And what this is gonna do is create a really nice apex for you, since I am using some nail tips today. I'm not using full coverage nails, so I did a total of 3 coats. I think I showed 2 only on camera, and then I'm gonna go in and show you how to create the marble step. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any nail related questions, and I will be answering them in my following nail tutorial if you guys want. I think it would be a little bit nicer to have something to talk about while I'm creating these videos, instead of just explaining all the time all the steps that I'm doing, just to make it a little bit more fun. I think it would be nice if you guys ask me some nail related questions that I could answer on my next video. So yeah guys, I hope you all are enjoying. So here are what the nails look like after I was done building them to my liking. And now I'm just taking this dip powder tray that I got on a kiss kit, and I'm just applying the colors that I'll be using to create a marble. And this is also why I'm using the transparent, because it just gives it a nicer effect. So I'm just going to be placing all of these in here, and you guys will see how I do it. I'm first pouring in the white that I was originally using to create the nails because I thought it was so pretty. Then I went in with some transparent, and then I'm going in with a cuticle pusher to scoop out some of the pink. And I love this pink because it has glitter in it already, so I don't even have to add. Just in case you want some glitter, you can always use a dip powder that already includes the glitter with the color, which is what I did here. So now with a manicure stick, I'm just gonna go in and start marbleizing it. Not perfectly, but just to my liking, and then I'll get straight into dipping the nails of choice into this, and then you guys will see how nice it turns out. So here I'm just going in with the base again, and I'm starting off with my middle finger, and I'm also doing my ring finger. I'm just doing 2 accent nails. I just wanted to show you guys how this came out. And by the way, this is my first time doing this, so it might not be so perfect, but I thought it was really cute for, you know, my first time trying this out. So look how nice it is starting to form already. So I already finished building the nail off camera, the rest of the middle finger, and I'm just going in with the ring finger and doing the same. I did like a total of 2. So now I'm going in with the activator, and this is going to ensure and harden all the nails and get them prepared and ready for shaping and filing. So these are what they look like after I was done shaping and filing the nails. I absolutely love how they turned out, and I'm going in once more with the activator just to compose the nails all together, and then I'll be going in with the last step, which is the top coat. I hope you all enjoyed today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.